Welcome to the channel English with Vidhi. Step by step, I will take you in detail how you can improve, enhance, and speak perfect English like a native. I have trained many students in spoken English in my 10-year career. I've also worked in international call centers. You have been practicing English, but somehow when you try to speak, you feel conscious or you feel you lack practice. You can do this all by yourself or take help from a friend. This channel will help you in every way. Send us your phone number, we will give you a call. You can practice with us. Surround yourself with English and watch as much English channels, cartoons, songs, anything, anywhere you can find English material. Surround yourself with that. It could be books, it could be some audios, videos, speeches. Make friends with English speaking people. Surround yourself with people who speak in English. You can share with them that you are practicing so you don't feel awkward around them. If they are your true friends, they will definitely help you. Not necessarily they have to be very fluent in speaking. You can make them your study partner as well. You learn something, you teach something. Teaching is the best way of learning. I believe in that. Set yourself realistic goals. Don't be too hard on yourself. Practice small sentences or just words. Slowly you will realize that you will switch from smaller to bigger sentences on your own. Your mirror can be your best friend. You can speak in front of the mirror and observe your body language also. That will help build your confidence. Speak with yourself in English. Whenever you think about something, try to switch from your mother tongue or any other language that you use while thinking, what should I cook today for lunch? Thinking helps in training your subconscious mind as well. Once you think in English, your mind will automatically help you learn new words, pick up, and you will soon observe you are speaking very fluently. I have many videos on this channel which will help you improve your personality and English. If you like, you can mail us on the email address given below and send us your phone number. You can practice English with us. So till we meet, stay blessed, keep smiling.